question, we got to find a double derivative of this particular function. So let's call it y is equal to ln t. So we need to find d square y over dt square. That's what we have to find. So first, let's find the first derivative. So dy over dt is going to be d over dt of natural log of t. So the differentiation of this natural log is going to be, we got to use the chain rule over here. So if we differentiate this natural log, we have 1 over natural log of t, because that's 1 over this expression. And then we go inside and we differentiate this expression as well, which is natural log of t. So let's continue over. In fact, we can write the next term over here. So this becomes 1 over natural log of t is as it is, and differentiation of natural log of t is 1 over t. So this is where we got the first derivative. Now the second derivative has got to be d square y over dt square. So that's just going to be another differentiation d over dt of 1 over t ln t. That's how it is. So I think this can be written as d over dt times t ln t raised to minus 1. And if we want to differentiate this, then minus 1 comes down, then we have t ln t raised to minus 2. We are using the power chain rule, so that's where we have differentiated the power. And then we go inside and we differentiate t ln t. So this is nothing but minus sign remains as it is. And since this is a power of minus 2 means the and in the denominator with a positive exponent, that is t ln t square. So that's how it is. And then we differentiate t ln t using the product rule. So the first term remains as it is. Differentiation of ln t is 1 over t, plus the second term, that is ln t, remains as it is, and differentiation of t is just 1. So this becomes this t and t is just cancelled, and what are we left with is we have a minus sign. This minus remains as it is, and the parentheses, we have 1 over here, we have 1 plus natural log of t over t ln t whole square. So this is the final answer. Thank you.